How to sign into Snapchat without password. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to sign in to Snapchat without using your password, you need to follow the simple steps. First, try resetting your Snapchat password. On the app, you can open Snapchat, go to login, and then you'll see the option of forgot password, which is highlighted in blue color below the password section. Tap on that. You'll get two different options via phone and via email. You can choose any one of it and then follow the instructions to reset your password. If you're using the web or any browser, you can go ahead, search for accounts.snapchat.com. And if it takes you to the login page, you can click on forgot password and choose phone or email from that, and then follow the reset link to enter the code sent to you. And if you can't access your phone or email address, you can go to Snapchat support. For that, again, open your browser. Go ahead and access the Snapchat support. Tap on I cannot access my account, then tap on I forgot my password, and this will take you to the Snapchat support form. Here, simply go ahead and enter your username, email address, phone number, and explain your issue in this box, and then simply submit the form. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.